Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So guys, after a long time again, I'm talking about BTT token update. What's the price changes occur on the Bittorrent token? And guys, what will be the next move of BTT token? Let me show you guys. So before starting this video, guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so please guys subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Bittorrent token is about 0.003928 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Bittorrent token. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of BTT token, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes only, guys. For from yesterday, a temporary falls occurred in the BTT token, guys. As you can see here, guys, in the last hour, just in the last 60 minutes, again the changes of BTT token is again start positive, guys. So now in the latest situation, BTT is in the pumping mode, guys. You can see here the changes update is also positive. 4.36% positive changes occur in the Bittorrent token, guys, and I'm sure that for a long time BTT token will continue this pump. Guys, what's your opinion about BTT token? Also share your opinion and also share your feelings about BTT token today, guys. Now I recommend for all of my viewers that it's time to hold, guys. Possibilities that in the next week the price of BTT token will highly pump.